guys, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a cranberry inspired look, and this is how it will turn out at the end of the video. So if you want to know how I did this, it's very easy, very simple. Then continue watching the video. So I'm gonna start using the primer. I will be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Primer. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Foundation. This is how it looks like. And I'm going to use 2 to 3 pumps of it. And I'm going to use the same brush. For my concealer, I'm going to use the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. And I am going to use the Beautyfoure Beauty Sponge. For my powder, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder in the shade Banana. While this sits on my face, I know it's looking funny, I'm going to bronze my face, and I'm going to use the Gigi Gorgeous bronzer in the shade the 6 Sculpt Extra. Now with the help of a fluffy brush, I'm going to dust off all the excess powder. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the Inspired by You highlighter in the shade Private Jet. It's been a while since I used this, so... Ooh. I love this highlighter, and it's like so nice, and the color is so good. It will go on any skin tone. For my blush and the whole rest of the makeup, I'm going to use the Mistura Visage Custom Palette, and I'm going to use this shade as my blush. I'm going to set my face using the Faces Canada Makeup Fixer. Now I'm not going to set my eyes, I'll just set the rest of my face because eye makeup is still left, and that's what this video is all about. Now I'm going to use the same palette to do my eyes. I have all my brushes here. So first of all, to create a rough base, and usually I call it base and transition, I'm going to use this brown shade. And I'm using the fluffy angled brush by Una Store. Now I am going to deepen my crease using this shade, and I will take a long fluffy brush like a blending brush by BH Cosmetics. Now I will deepen my crease with the same shade, and I'll just stamp and blend. Now I'm going to use this shade, which I'm so excited for. Oh my god, it's super pigmented. Looks so pretty. Let's try with fingers. Oh my god. and now it looks much better. Now I'm going to take the same first brush which I used for my transition and just blend everything out. Can you see the difference between both the eyes? Like, this looks so nice and flawless, and this one is also looking okay, but I need to blend more. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm actually going to take this shimmery shade, the only shimmery shade in the palette, and I'm going to stamp it in my inner corners. Just a little bit in brow bone as well. Now I'm going to do something really interesting. I'm going to take this really nice orange rusty sort of a color. It's like very winter friendly shade. I am going to take this with like an angled brush and I'm going to stamp it in my lower lash line. So excited for that. So I guess I used almost every shade from this palette, and this is the look. I will complete the look with lipstick and mascara. For my mascara, I am going to use the Mistura Luxury Mascara in the variant black, and it is beautiful mascara. I just let my lashes on place, and the best part is it's like curved and the wand is so pretty. It's like so easy to work with. Now I'm going to line my eyes using the Thinlizzy Perfect Wing eyeliner, and I'm just gonna line a little bit. Now I'm going to apply some false lashes, and for lashes I'm going to use the Anaya Channelle lashes. These are so pretty, and this is in the variant KNG38, and I'm going to use the same brand Anaya Chanel's tweezer to put my lashes. I'm going to use the duo glue to stick my lashes. So I'm gonna do that and come right back. So I did go and apply eyelashes off camera, and these are looking so pretty. Like, lashes make such a big difference. Moving on to the lipstick, I'm going to use the Anaya Channelle lipstick. It's like a liquid lip gloss in the shade Velvet. It's matching my eyeshadow, so let's see how it looks. I'm so excited. I guess I'm ready to say bye-bye to winters, and this is the final look. Let me know how you guys find this look, and I really like it. I never go like this bold regularly. If it's party or something, I would go, but for a change, it's looking really pretty. I really like it. Let me know how you guys find it. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.